Here's a certified 2017 Audi A6. It's a lively performer from the inside out with dramatic power, well-thought-out technology, and a beautifully devised interior. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.